So I have some not so great news for those eagerly anticipating the release of the Nothing Phone 3. Callpay has officially announced that the Nothing Phone 3 won't be coming this year because the team at Nothing Company is busy working on some exciting AI project.
And expect to see some of these features starting to come out with the Phone 3 next year. Where we can really nail some of these user experiences.
So the delay is quite huge when we think about the typical annual refresh cycle for the high-end smartphones. But why did Nothing decide to take this route? Well, it all comes down to one word: AI. Nothing is choosing to take their time developing the new phone. They are focusing on redefining the user interface to give you a truly personalized experience with AI integrated at a system level. Instead of rushing to launch next month like everyone else, they are deciding to create a dynamic user experience that's worth the wait. They have also shared some their early work of AI.
We were exploring providing every single person with a highly personalized companion that feels almost like a best friend. We built a really quick prototype of what that initial onboarding could feel like.
Hello, it's great to connect with you. Let's start with a light conversation. Do you enjoy spending time with friends or family?
I do actually. Thanks for asking.
That's great to hear. When you think about spending time with someone special, what qualities or characteristics do you imagine they would have?
That's a good question. I think they would be fun, thoughtful, and would have a good sense of humor.
Hey Waleed, I'm happy to finally meet you. My name is Oliver.
It seems like Nothing is joining the consumer AI race with this announcement. It's possible that sales of the Nothing Phone 2 were not as high as expected, but the Nothing Phone 2A has been doing well, so Nothing didn't want to take a chance with the Phone 3 that might have similar sales to the Phone 2. While it's possible that in the next year the Phone 3 could come with some new interesting UI innovations that integrate AI with apps and other features which could potentially make it a hit. But don't forget that still Nothing is working on the Nothing Phone 2A Ultimate. This phone might be the last phone from Nothing this year. So what do you think of this huge delay of the Phone 3? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.